So for this next practice we're going to be doing, it will be called Sat Kriya. And Sat Kriya is a practice that transmutes sexual energy into creative energy. This is a really good one if you have some Kundalini awakening in your body and you have that washing machine feeling or a lot of sensations in your body. This one's really important to work on because you're pumping the stomach and working to get that energy to continue to build so it will rise all the way up the chakra system. This one's also really good for emotional regulation. As I was speaking before, that there's a lot of emotions stored in our belly. It's not just digestion of food here. There's a lot of emotional digestion that happens here. And if you have had any sexual issues, sexual trauma, addictions, anything like that, this is a really good practice to do for that. So how we will start is you sit in a rock pose like so. So again, if you need a prop, you can use a blanket, a towel, or a pillow, placing them under the tops of the feet to make it more comfortable as you sit back. And then we'll sit with a straight spine. We'll interlock our fingers into Venus lock. So we want to keep for females, the right thumb goes on top, and for males, it's the opposite, left thumb on top like this. And then we're going to take the arms up and overhead. Right? And so our arms are up because this continues to pull the energy up. And I started practicing this a few years ago and I didn't feel anything. And now that I have a lot of Kundalini in my body, I get such stronger sensations of Kundalini when I put my arms up overhead. So even though it may seem right now like, why am I doing all of this? This doesn't make any difference. The subtle things will start to become way larger as you continue to practice. So just stay with it. So arms are up overhead and we're chanting Sat, exhaling Nam. So you can watch me first. Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam. So now let's talk about the belly here. So we talked about the bandhas earlier in this practice. And we're engaging the Mula Bandha and the Uddiyana Bandha and pulling up as we do that. And so on the Sat, we're pulling in, and then on the Nam, we're exhaling and relaxing. And I would say maybe make it not like a full pull in, a full relaxation. It's kind of like 50-50. So we have these waves of energy that are flowing. It's not like all the way in, all the way out. It's kind of a 50-50 of a pulsation in and out. So again, let's practice saying the Sat Nam with the movement a few times before we do the full practice. Okay? So come to sit up straight, open the shoulders. Sat Nam, 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 Sat Nam. And it's really easy, I think, to get into the rhythm with this mantra in your head of the rhythm that we should be doing. So we will do a full 3-minute practice of this together. So stay in your position, interlock the fingers, take the arms up and overhead. And we'll close the eyes, rolling the eyes up and in towards the third eye point. And then beginning here, Sat Nam, 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 sat, 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 nam. Inhale, reach up, engage Mula Bandha. Imagine the energy rolling up the chakra system. Exhale, release. Keep the arms up. One more inhale in. Engage Mula Bandha, pulling up low belly, rectum, sex organs. Keep the eyes rolled up and in. Exhale, release. Arms come out. Sweep the aura. Come down. You can take a moment here, rebalance after that practice. And we'll slowly blink the eyes open. So that was Sat Kriya.